Sinabi nyo kanina na wala namang requirement, na may alam sa confidential activities, walang training. Pero hindi po ba, ma'am, na requirement sa SDO yung pagkakaroon ng common sense?
Anong ibig sabihin, Your Honor?
Oy, napakaklaro ng tanong ko. Ma'am, I will repeat the question. Sinabi nyo, wala namang requirement na may alam sa confidential activities, walang special training sa confidential activities. Pero hindi po ba, bilang SDO, at least naman lang ma'am, required na yung SDO na pinipili ng isang vice president, may common sense.
May utak po ako, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now, kanina, sinabi din ng Defense Counsel na yung certification that you identified apat, may format naman. May format naman yung joint circular, hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
And then, sinabi ng defense, hindi kayo allow to modify yung content ng format na iyan. Hindi po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
I remember you saying that.
What's the objection, Counsel?
Your Honor, the question is misleading because
Sorry?
the question is pertaining to the certification, the template of the certification, Your Honor.
Exactly. If I may respond through the presiding officer.
I
exactly.
remember that too. You mentioned it pertaining to the certification that it cannot be modified in any way. And you referred to Annex B, if I remember correctly.
Yes, Your Honor.
Witness may answer.
Nawala ko da.
So sinabi kanina na since may format yung certification, hindi po pwedeng i-modify ng Office of the Vice President yung format na yan. Hindi po ba?
Opo.
Opo. Pero ma'am, hindi po ba required, at least naman lang ma'am, common sense naman lang, na kung sa tingin mo, hindi tama yung nakasulat sa certification, hindi mo pipirmahan. Common sense po ba yan, di ba?
Your Honor,
Oh,
we
wait.
object to the question because the prosecution is already badgering the
No,
witness,
I'm
Your
not
Honor.
badgering.
Overruled,
It's
Counsel.
a demeaning
Overruled,
question,
Counsel.
Your Honor.
That's not
Overruled,
badgering.
Counsel. Witness may answer.
Mm-mm.
Ma'am Gina, dahil hindi nyo pwedeng baguhin, hindi naman nangangahulugan na pag hindi totoo yung nakalagay doon, hindi nyo pipirmahan. Pinirmahan nyo yan dahil sa paniniwala nyo, totoo yung nakalagay doon. Sa certification po
Yes, totoo, Your Honor. Kaya meron naman po akong mga documents nga galing kay Colonel Lachica na security officer after po na-implement niya ang confidential operations, Your Honor. Kaya nagpirma ko, Your Honor, mo to akong isa sa gibasihan o basis, Your Honor.
Your Honor, since it has been raised again, I will ask this question again. Pero paano mo nalaman na na-implement yung ng tama through the document? Sinabi mo na eh. Wala kang personal na alam eh.
As an
Paano
answer,
yun?
Your Honor.
Your Honor, it was raised again. That's why I have to repeat that.
Witness may answer.
Continuing objection on these lines of questioning,
The
Your Honor.
continuing objection of counsel with respect to this line of questioning is duly noted. Witness may answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Pakisagot po.
Ay. Gipirmahan ko, I sign the certification, Your Honor. Na tama po yun. Kasi meron akong gibasihan, meron akong basis na galing po sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica. Na binigay niya sa akin, Your Honor, after po matapos ang pag-implement ng confidential activities, Your Honor.
Okay.